normally don't even shoot videos like this because I like to enjoy my Sundays with some cars, but I'm gonna give you a little glimpse of what this Catalina coffee is I do every Sunday, pretty much every Sunday. So take it for what it's worth. Just enjoy the cars that I'm shooting. I'm not talking much. I'm just gonna show you the cars. I might say a few words here and there, but like I said, I normally don't even do this. This is my, you know, my alone time. Enjoy. Speciale. Carbon fiber on the Lotus Emira. Oh, it's got the manual. I love that with the open gated shifter. Not even gated, it's just open. Another GR Corolla, that's not mine though. It's a gas 2000. Spoon buckets. I wanted these seats, but I don't know if I could fit in them at the time. Another clean 300ZX there. Civic Type R, Del Sol GT3, GT3 RS, GT2 RS, another GT3 coming down the street. Classic. Magnum PI vibes. GT3, really nice wheels. R8. Full on rally spec on the classic WRX. And the blob eye. And we get an Huracan next to an SS. We got a Prowler here today. Okay, that's new. Really? GT4 classic Broncos. Super there. RS4 across the street. We got V8 M3s across the street over there and the NSX. Try to zoom in a bit. Can't really tell that well. Really good looking Lexus right here. And special shout out to this M3. Did this one proper. What's a Mossad wagon? and a Nissan Frontier. S15 across the street. Classic turbos. Okay, you don't see this very often. Little Porsche turbo. Specifically about these wheels is why I came over here. HREs is perfection. Another 488, the Supra. WRX, NSX. Haha, guess who that is? That's me. TT. A couple E92s. ZL1s. S6 or an S4. NSX going out here. Just a couple flybys, nothing crazy. I normally don't stand out here, but I figured for the video I'll just stand out here and give y'all a little something. This is a Sunday. This is Catalina. It's what I hang out and do, talk to some friends, just have a good time. I'm gonna show you some more cars before I end this whole entire thing, but this is my Sunday, all right? So this, you got a little bit of a glimpse. Older couple was chilling. Older couple was in there getting to it. They're like, all right, little X5M. All right, there's a Grand National over there too. I know I showed it to you earlier, but that's kind of important because, funny enough, I rarely see a Grand National here, and I see everything else. I see more Ferraris and GT3s than I see Grand Nationals. Oh, we got a little Miata action. Okay, a little Prelude over there. Proper EK9 Type R. And there's a bunch of cars out in the tuck. Classic Subarus here, leaving. It's a cloudy day, but it's also a nice cool day. Because later on, when it's spring and it's summertime, it's gonna be a mess. All right, check out some more cars. Little Aristo. We got a WRX leaving. Behind it is a 996 Carrera. Behind that is a Lotus Elise. Well, JX. All right, it's starting to calm down now. A few things left over. It's very clean, all spoon. EG showed up, which I've seen him before, but just to give you this person their respects, immaculate interior, just overall super nice. And 720S is here, along with a SF90 right there as well, and another one over there. And this one has these arrow carbon fiber wheels on there. You see Aero Plus. I'm sure it adds something with aerodynamics, or maybe it doesn't, but that's kind of like a wrap up of this little Catalina Sunday. Like I said, I don't do this every single time I'm here because I just like hanging out, talking to people. That's why it's all spread out, cut up as far as talking to people, looking at the cars. So I'll be back to my regular scheduled program, podcasts and all that, car reviews, but every once in a while I'll throw up a video of me on my Sunday mornings, show you what I do, show what it's like, check out what the cars look like. One last view before I'm out of here. You can see, I mean, it's way less right now. At this time, we're like 10 o'clock, everybody kind of starts going home, but I'll see you on the normal scheduled program. Till then, peace.